Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This small sports sedan is the right size to fit onto everyone's dream list. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, gas pressurized shocks, digital instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,